Well, good afternoon. We are tracking rain showers right now and waiting for some thunderstorms to develop this afternoon that could turn severe. This is our view in Devil's Lake. You can see it's kind of gray, gloomy looking here. We've had rain recently, and that continues to be a factor for us in that northeastern part of North Dakota. Here's a look at the latest radar. Some places are enjoying a good amount of sunshine, especially in the northeast. And then there's kind of this line that's been going through Minnesota here, where we're talking about Lakes Country, Detroit Lakes, a little bit farther south toward St. Cloud, where we've been seeing some light rain showers. And then the second wave of this has been moving into that Devil's Lake area. Fargo, Grand Forks, some clouds, might even be a sprinkle around Fargo-Moorhead right now. But the main area up by Langdon, back down into the Devil's Lake region, over toward New Rockford, seeing these scattered showers. Great news. We just talked about the drought spreading southward in northeastern North Dakota. So great news to get a little bit of rain at least here. And this comes without the severe threat. Where the threat is going to be greatest is down into southeastern North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota. You see on the satellite how we have clear skies here, allowing some sunshine, some heating. That leads to more instability. And this is where we could cook up some stronger thunderstorms, maybe some severe thunderstorms. You see temperatures are around 70 in Wahpeton and Sisseton. Grand Forks is at 70, Fargo's at 69. And then you can see where the clouds and the rain have made a difference on our temperatures in the northwest. We're at 61 in Devil's Lake, only 55 right now in Rolla. In August at lunchtime, it's 55. So here's our hour-by-hour planner. We're going to see those showers continue to migrate eastward. Some areas just experiencing a little bit of rain, and then others we're watching for that severe weather. This is 3 p.m. We're looking at the signs, the hints of some thunderstorms developing at that point, and then right around evening hours, drive time, heading home from work. A lot of folks in that 5 to 6 o'clock hour in southeastern North Dakota need to pay special attention to what's going on. You can see these storms just kind of exploding here in that James River Valley area. Now, give or take an hour or so here, you know, the timing on this is a model simulation. It could be off just slightly, but this gives you an idea of where to expect some of these stronger storms. And you can see thunderstorms too in the north, just not likely to see that extent of severe weather going on there. So as we make our way into the later part of the evening, this is 7 p.m. Look at this line moving through. It could be affecting places like Fargo-Moorhead, Wahpeton, Breckenridge at that point, and then continuing to push eastward. Now, in the initial stages of these storms, we could see an hour or two window where there is the possibility for an isolated tornado. And so that would be more likely in those areas where we see those storms first pop up in southeastern North Dakota. As this storm continues to advance east, as it's maturing, it's becoming more linear in nature. And that just means that we're looking at straight line winds being a threat. And then on top of that, large hail as well. So Lakes Country later tonight will be affecting you. And then eventually that moves on into the late night hours. Now, I can't rule out 1 or 2 isolated thunderstorms rolling in behind that to greet us early tomorrow morning. That's something we'll have to watch out for as well. But the main round moving in this evening. So here's a look at that severe weather threat again for this evening. Northern Valley, more likely storms, rain, but non-severe. Southern Valley, again, focused more on that threat for severe, right along that South Dakota, North Dakota line and back over into west central Minnesota. And then, you know, north from there, we could also see that too, so under that marginal risk. So that's what we're looking for. Location, timing again, late afternoon, early evening for development and impacts. We're looking at hail being a major impact, an inch to an inch and a half diameter hail. Again, a low tornado risk, but early on there is that risk with this storm event, and then those wind gusts possible. And with some of these storms, we could see some very heavy rain. Now, quickly looking at Friday, because Friday is a first alert weather day too. I just want to show you quickly that we do have a chance for these scattered thunderstorms that could be producing 1 or 2 severe storms with hail and wind. A possibility on Friday as well. So very active weather going on here next couple of days. Heading into this weekend, Saturday should be the quieter day. And then Sunday, we're bringing back the rain, maybe some beneficial rain that doesn't involve severe, fingers crossed. Yeah. But there will be a chance for some storms.
Yeah, that key word, severe, makes a big difference.
Yeah, you know, we don't want that. We want the rain, but we just would like a nice steady rain here and maybe overnight while we're sleeping so it doesn't affect our day.
Totally.
Wouldn't that be nice?
Yeah, but that's asking too much, right?
Yes.
All right, thanks so much.